Hey everyone, welcome back to PowerPro Academy. In this video, we are covering a super useful and practical topic, which is file handling in Python. So reading and writing files is something every developer must know, whether it's logs, reports, or user data. File handling is essential. So let's learn how. First of all, what is file handling? So file handling lets your Python program interact with files stored on your computer to read, write, append, or even modify them. Now let's come to the point and think how we can open a file in Python. So opening files in Python. Now you have to know what we have to do. So let's jump into our VS Code. So here we are in our VS Code and I am writing a variable file, and inside it I am calling a function called open. So open generally a function in Python which opens the file and access it. So I'm writing open function here, and in this open function I am passing two arguments. The first one is the file name and the second one is mode. So here we have to read the file. So I am writing the mode R. R is the read mode and it is the default mode also. There are some another type of modes available in the open function. The second one is, so W used to write and it overwrites the file. Now the third one is A. So A means append. It generally append the text in the file. The fourth one is X. So X generally creates a file, and if the file already exists, it gives an error. The last one is BABE, which means binary mode. It generally used for emoji, images, and these type of data. So now let's read a file. So here I am writing file equals to open, which is the function, and inside open function I am giving it the argument, the first one file name, so sample.txt, and now I am writing the mode here. So the mode was R because I have to read the file. Now let's print that thing. So print file.read, which is a keyword inside file statement. So here we can see whatever is written in the file is now available to us for the reading. Now one more important step is here that after opening a file and using it, we have to close that file also. So for that we have to write file.close. Now this is how we can read a file. So is this possible to write into a file? Let's find out. So I am writing file equals to open and I am opening a file in write mode. So I have to write open file name and W. Now I want to write hello, this is PowerPro Academy in the file. So I have to do file.write, and inside that write I have to just pass the string hello, this is PowerPro Academy. Now I have to close that file. So file.close. Now let's check out that if we write something in the file. So once again we have to open a file and read it. So yes, you can see that there is written hello, this is PowerPro Academy. So that's how we can open a file, read a file, write in the file, and close a file. Now what else? So how we can append in a file? So let's check it. So I am opening a file and opening a file with a mode of A because A denotes the append. Now I am writing inside it. So file.write /n generally used for next line. So after /n I am writing welcome to the Python file handling, and now I am closing it. So let's check out that if it is appended into the file or not. So let's read the file once again. So I am opening the file in the read mode and I am writing print file.read. So when we use file.read, it generally opens the entire file. Now if I want to read the first line of the file, then I want to write print file.readline. So readline generally gives us the first line of the file. Now if I want to read all the lines of the file, then I have to write print file.readlines. and it will gives me the list of lines. So after reading the file, what we have to do? We have to close that file. So file.close. Okay, so let's talk about some best practices for the file handling. So we can use with statement. So let's write it with open function, file name, and the mode is read as file, data equals to file.read, and here we have to print the data. So the with statement automatically closes the file, which is safer and cleaner. So always use with statement with the file handling. Now the next one is handling file not found error. So we can write here, and we can use try and except method for handling purpose. So try, and inside the try we have to write the with statement for opening the file and reading it, and in the except when file is not found, so it gives us file not found error. So when it gives us this error, we can simply print the file does not exist. So this is how we can handle the file not found error in the file handling. Now there is a practice exercise for you. So create a file named log.txt, write a few lines using Python and read it back. Try appending more text into it. So that's a wrap up on file handling in Python. You can now read, write, and manage file like a pro. So like this video, subscribe to PowerPro Academy for more tutorials. Comment below which mode did you find most useful today. So that's all for now. We will see each other in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Happy coding.